Credit Repair Cloud Honest Review, watch before using. Credit Repair Cloud is a powerful software tool designed for credit repair businesses. And in this review, I'll give you the honest breakdown before you dive in. It's built specifically for individuals or companies looking to start or scale a credit repair business, helping you streamline client management, dispute processes, and automate key tasks. One of its standout features is the ability to handle unlimited clients with easy-to-use templates for dispute letters, which can save countless hours of manual work. The software also offers step-by-step training and certification for those new to credit repair, making it beginner-friendly. But it's equally valuable for seasoned professionals with its advanced tools like credit analysis reports and lead generation integrations. The interface is straightforward, making it simple to track client progress and disputes across multiple credit bureaus. You can also customize your own workflows and templates, giving you more flexibility to operate how you like. A major plus is the cloud-based setup, which means you can access the platform from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. However, it's important to note that Credit Repair Cloud is not cheap, especially for smaller operations. Pricing starts at $179 a month, which may be steep for some users. Also, while it's packed with features, the sheer amount of tools and options can feel overwhelming at first. It's worth investing time in the training provided to get the most out of it. If you're serious about building or growing a credit repair business, Credit Repair Cloud offers a comprehensive, scalable solution. But if you're just looking for personal credit repair, this is overkill. Overall, this software is a solid investment for professionals, but be ready to commit both financially and in terms of learning the system. That's my honest take on Credit Repair Cloud. Make sure you know your needs before subscribing.